Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Parrot Security OS 6.4 on VMware workstation. First go to Parrot Security OS official website and download. It is parrotsec.org. See here at the time of installation the latest release is 6.4. Click on download. Then see here we have to select the category live, virtual, IoT or alternative installation methods, Docker, Debian conversion script and WSL. Okay, I am going with live, which means it is downloading IS1, installing from the scratch. Click on it, then select the edition, security, then select the architecture, then scroll down. See here, we have to click on download. This is direct download method, but if you want to download by using torrent, you have to click on torrent. Okay, I am going with the direct download, so select download and default username and password is this one. And see here, see this is the version name and this is the release date. Okay, architecture. Then click on download. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here, its size is 5.4 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Now click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Then select next. Then select this installer, disk image file and select browse. Then go to downloads and select the Parrot Security 6.4 ISO image. Then click on next. Then select guest OS as Linux and version as Debian latest version. Then click on next. Here provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Parrot Sec 64 VM. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse and select the path where you have the NO space. Click on next. Now we have to provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is a virtual machine summary. Okay, so see, hardware is 50 gigabytes, memory is 2 gigabytes. If you want to increase it, just click on customize hardware, then use this pointer up, or you can provide memory in megabytes here. Then click on close. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Now, still if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, select the virtual machine from this list and click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or select it and go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. Or if you want to provide any description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows. Select the first one, that is try or install, and hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control from your keyboard to release the cursor. Now, see, if you want to use the live environment, you have to use and you have to shut down. But if you want to install it permanently, right click on this install Debian icon, then click on open. Then select the language and click on next. You can select language from this list and click on next. Select region and zone from this list. Okay, or you can select on the globe. Then click on next. Select the keyboard model and click on next. See, this is a fresh installation. Select erase disk and click on next. Now we have to create our setup user. And here, see, this is the user full name. This is the username. Then here we have to provide the computer name or host name. I am giving then provide the password. Then click on next. See, this is the free installation summary. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. Or if you want to modify any one of these settings, then click on back and you can edit. Okay, so I am okay with all the settings, then click on install. This is the confirmation. Just click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. Okay, I am going to pause this video. Then it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation completed, just reboot it. So provide the password. Hit enter. See, before on desktop we were having install Parrot. Now it is gone. Don't want to update. Now get the full screen mode. Now open terminal. Increase the font size of terminal. Go to edit, profile preferences. Then select the uncheck this system font. Then click on font. Then increase it, or whatever you want you can. Then click on select, close it. See, font size has been increased. Now verify the version that I have installed. more/etc OS-release. See, we have installed. See, we have installed Parrot Security 6.4, and this is the name, that is Lorikit. Okay, and its ID is like Debian. So if you want to verify IP of this machine, just give if config. But we can also get IP address by running IP-addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay. Now the first step after connecting to Parrot Security OS 6.4 is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Type for confirmation and hit enter. See, packages are updated. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Parrot Security OS 6.4 on VMware workstation. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.